this is what I really enjoy about being in marriage. Kasi parang mahirap nga yung marriage, pero pag may partner ka naman na supportive sa'yo at hindi sakit sa ulo, it's worth it, guys. That's why if you will decide or if you will be deciding to get married, make sure that you are on your right partner. Yung alam mong makakasama mo siya sa hirap man o sa ginhawa, like kahit wala na kayong pera, ganito, ganyan. At as long as magsisikap kayong dalawa, walang imposible lahat. Kaysa naman may partner ka nga, sure ka nga yung partner mo ganito, ganyan, pero sakit pala sa ulo. So, grateful naman ako sa partner ko na hindi sakit sa ulo. Anyway, this is what I cook for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like my page. And follow my page, TikTok, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. That's all.